Welcome to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of turning your hobbies into profitable side hustles. Today's video will delve into the importance of financial growth and personal development through monetizing your passions. Our goal is to inspire you to see your hobbies not just as pastimes, but as potential sources of income and personal fulfillment. By tapping into your creative talents and interests, you can not only boost your financial stability, but also experience a sense of purpose and satisfaction in your daily life. Throughout this video, we will provide you with practical steps and valuable insights on how to effectively monetize your hobbies. From identifying market opportunities to setting up your online presence, we will guide you through the process of turning your passion projects into profitable ventures. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your hobbies and embark on a journey towards financial growth and personal development. Identifying your hobby. Uncover your potential side hustle. Do you find yourself spending hours immersed in certain activities that bring you joy and fulfillment? It's time to turn those hobbies into lucrative side hustles. Start by reflecting on the activities that truly light you up and make you lose track of time. These are often the hobbies with the most potential for monetization. Consider exploring niche interests that set you apart from the competition. Whether it's crafting unique handmade jewelry or creating personalized meal plans for busy professionals, niche hobbies can stand out in the market and attract a dedicated customer base. Furthermore, it's crucial to choose hobbies that align with your personal values and skills. By leveraging your strengths and passions, you can create a side hustle that not only generates income, but also resonates with who you are at your core. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how to identify and capitalize on your hobbies for financial growth and personal fulfillment. Market research and viability. Assessing the potential of your hobby as a side hustle. Before diving headfirst into monetizing your hobby, it's essential to conduct thorough market research to gauge its viability as a side hustle. Understanding your target audience and competitors is key to positioning your hobby in the market successfully. Start by evaluating the demand for your hobby's products or services, as well as exploring pricing strategies that align with both your value proposition and market standards. By analyzing potential profitability, you can make informed decisions about the financial feasibility of turning your passion into a side hustle. Additionally, keep an eye on market trends and opportunities related to your hobby. Stay informed about emerging niches, consumer preferences, and industry developments that could impact the success of your side hustle. By staying ahead of the curve, you can position yourself as a competitive player in the market and maximize the potential of your hobby as a source of income and personal fulfillment. Creating a business plan. Blueprint for success in your hobby-based side hustle. Crafting a solid business plan is essential for turning your hobby into a profitable side hustle. Your plan should outline key components such as goals, target market analysis, and financial projections to guide your venture toward success. Start by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Clearly define what you aim to achieve with your side hustle and establish milestones to track your progress effectively. Identifying your target market is crucial for tailoring your products or services to meet customer needs and preferences. Conduct market research to understand your audience's demographics, behaviors, and buying patterns to position your side hustle for success. When developing financial projections, consider factors like startup costs, pricing strategies, and revenue forecasts to ensure the financial sustainability of your side hustle. Additionally, think about scalability and long-term sustainability to plan for growth and adaptability in the ever-evolving market landscape. By creating a comprehensive business plan, you lay the foundation for a successful and thriving hobby-based side hustle. Building your brand. Crafting a distinct identity for your side hustle. Branding plays a pivotal role in shaping the perception of your side hustle and setting it apart from the competition. It's essential to create a unique identity that resonates with your target audience and conveys the values and personality of your venture. Elements of branding, such as logo design, brand voice, and visual aesthetics, are crucial in establishing a cohesive and memorable brand presence. Your logo serves as the visual representation of your side hustle, while your brand voice sets the tone for how you communicate with your audience. Consistency is key when it comes to branding. Ensure that your logo, color palette, and messaging are consistent across all marketing materials and online platforms to build brand recognition and trust among customers. A strong brand not only attracts customers, but also helps build credibility and loyalty. By investing time and effort into crafting a compelling brand identity, you can differentiate your side hustle in the market and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Marketing and promotion strategies. Fueling growth for your hobby-based side hustle. To propel your hobby-based side hustle to new heights, Implementing effective marketing and promotion strategies is essential. By reaching and engaging with your target audience through various channels, you can expand your reach and drive sales for your venture. Explore diverse marketing channels, including social media platforms, influencer partnerships, and email marketing campaigns, to connect with potential customers and build brand awareness. Leveraging these channels allows you to reach a wider audience and generate interest in your products or services. Engage your audience by incorporating storytelling into your marketing efforts. Share the journey behind your side hustle, showcase your creative process, and create compelling content that resonates with your target market. By fostering a connection through storytelling, you can build a loyal customer base and differentiate your brand in a competitive market. Tracking and analyzing your marketing efforts is crucial for optimizing your strategies and maximizing results. Monitor key metrics such as engagement rates and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement and refine your approach over time. By continuously evaluating and adjusting your marketing tactics, you can drive sustained growth and success for your hobby-based side hustle. Financial management and growth. Nurturing your hobby-turned-side hustle. As your hobby evolves into a side hustle, mastering financial management is crucial for sustainable growth and success. By implementing sound financial practices, you can effectively manage your finances and pave the way for long-term prosperity. Start by understanding basic financial principles such as budgeting, pricing strategies, and reinvestment. Creating a budget helps you allocate resources wisely, while setting competitive prices ensures profitability. Reinvesting profits back into your side hustle can fuel growth and innovation, driving your venture forward. Encourage viewers to track expenses, revenue, and profits diligently. By monitoring financial metrics, you gain valuable insights into the financial health of your side hustle and can make informed decisions to optimize performance and profitability. When it comes to fostering growth, consider strategies for scaling your side hustle and maximizing profitability over time. Explore opportunities for expansion, diversification, and strategic partnerships to unlock new revenue streams and reach a broader audience. By proactively managing your finances and pursuing growth opportunities, you can nurture your hobby-based side hustle into a thriving and sustainable business. Personal development and mindset. Nurturing growth as a side hustler. Embarking on the journey from hobbyist to side hustler involves more than just financial gains. It's a transformative experience that fosters personal growth and development. As you navigate the challenges and opportunities of entrepreneurship, cultivating the right mindset is key to unlocking your full potential. Emphasize the importance of resilience, adaptability, and continuous learning in your side hustle journey. Challenges will inevitably arise, but viewing them as opportunities for growth can propel you forward and strengthen your skills and abilities. Encourage viewers to embrace a growth mindset, where setbacks are seen as learning experiences and stepping stones to success. By adopting a positive and proactive approach to challenges, you can cultivate resilience and adaptability, essential traits for thriving in the world of entrepreneurship. Discuss the mindset shifts needed to succeed as a side hustler, such as embracing uncertainty, taking calculated risks, and staying focused on long-term goals. By developing a growth-oriented mindset and nurturing personal development, you can not only succeed in your side hustle, but also experience profound growth and fulfillment along the way. Now is the time to take the leap and turn your hobbies into thriving ventures. Embrace challenges, cultivate a growth mindset, and stay committed to your goals. Your journey to side hustle success starts now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, as it helps with the algorithm, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.